enjoy every season. Let's learn all the seasons in a year. Spring, pleasant and breezy. Flowers bloom and butterflies dance. We wear light cotton clothes, hats, comfy shoes in spring season. Summer, hot and sunny. Perfect for swimming and spending time near beach. We wear shorts, sleeveless tops, cotton dresses, and flip-flops. Rainy season, wet and cool. Raindrops fall, kids jump and enjoy in rain. We wear raincoats, gumboots, bright clothes, and we use umbrella and waterproof bags in rainy season. Autumn, cool and breeze. Leaves turn orange and fall from trees. We wear jackets, jeans, full sleeve shirts and scarves in autumn season. Winter, cold and chill. Cold days, cozy clothes and snowflakes everywhere. We wear sweaters, woolen caps, gloves, scarves, and jackets in winter season. Learning is fun in all the seasons. Thank you, Twinkles. Like, share, and subscribe.